Hey riders, this is Belinda at Harley-Davidson. I want to show you this amazing BugSlide product that we've gotten to know and love for all of our vehicles, but especially our Harley. Just spray it on, it's good for your fairing, good for your windshield. So you spray it on, leave it on there for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then we're going to wipe it off. And we've tried this on our vehicle, other vehicles, our car. It just works amazing to get those nasty bugs off of there, all the dirt and the grime. And you can use it on your shield, on your helmet. You can use it on your fairing, other parts of your bike, headlights, anywhere you get those nasty bugs stuck on there. You just put it on there, wait a little bit, we're gonna wipe it down. Really, literally, one swipe and the bugs are gone. A couple more wipes, it's all clean. So my windshield wasn't all that dirty. I try not to get it too dirty and keep it dirty, but we've got some on there, smooth. It actually puts a protective coat on there. And I see we have a splat here probably from 2009 or something. We're gonna splat that again. And once in a while you have to do a second coat if you really got them caked on there and they're dry. But typically, really, just one application, nice and clean. We're gonna try it on the headlight. Wipe that right off of there. Beautiful. Okay, so I sprayed my windshield with the BugSlide about a minute ago. We're gonna just wipe these bugs away. Oh yeah, be gone with you bugs. Look at that. One wipe and they're gone. Wipe it a little more, shines it up, gives it a good coating. You can use it on your chrome, your fairing. Nice and slick. I did my headlight. Nice and clean again. So you can get your BugSlide in this nice little travel size at Harley-Davidson, under 10 bucks. Don't go without it. Don't ride without the slide.